Yeah, so welcome to Maths with Ish. So today we have a question on circle geometry, and this question says we should find the value of x. And you can see this is a straight line passing through the circle, okay, and intersecting the circle at 2 points here and here. And this is a chord, this is also a chord, and this is also a chord. Okay, now this chord has formed an angle of 126. This other chord has formed an angle of 108 degree. We want to find this value x. Now there's a mark here, telling us that this line from this point, let me call it A, to this point B, and from this point A to this point C are equal. Okay, so how do we get this angle x? Now, since they have marked here and here, it simply means that they are trying to give us a clue. Okay, and what is that clue? They are trying to tell us that if we can construct a line here, then we will form a an isosceles triangle. Okay, so by making this simple construction here, I've actually formed a triangle here, so that we know that for an isosceles triangle, the base angle are equal, which means that this angle here and this angle here should be what? Equal. Okay, so I don't know what those angles are, so let me call here y. And you see that? Okay, the next thing we're going to do again is to check for some other properties. Let's check for some other properties. Now, if you check, this angle x is also going to be equal to this angle x here. Do you know why? Because they are subtended by the same chord. Let me call here D. So this same chord DB is subtending angle x. This same chord DB is subtending angle x here. So these two angles are angles on the same segment. You get that? Okay. So what we are going to do now is to check. This is a triangle. So in triangle ABC, we know that the sum of the two interior will always equal the external angle. Okay, so y plus y will give us 126, so that 2y equals 126, and then our y is equals to 126 over 2, and that is 63 degrees. So we have gotten this value for y as 63 degrees. The same thing here too will be 63 degrees as well. Okay, so what is left for us to get now is x. So how do we get x? Very simple as well. Now, this chord BD subtends this angle y. This chord BD also subtends this angle here. So this angle and this angle, they are also angles on the same segment. Okay, so which means also in this triangle BDA, in triangle, let me use a black marker this time. In triangle BDA, this triangle BDA, the opposite interior will be equal to the exterior angle. So y plus x will be equal to 108. And remember, we've gotten our y as 63 plus x equals to 108. So our x is 108 minus 63, and that is what? 8 minus 3, that is 5. 10 minus 6, that is 4. So therefore, our x is 45 degrees, and that is the solution. Thanks for watching.